How to log out of your Microsoft account on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the start button and then open up the settings window and then go to the accounts category. Now from here, if you are signed in with a Microsoft account or an email account using Outlook or Microsoft, you should see an option here to that says sign in with your or sign in with a local account instead. But since I have a local account already, I can only switch it to a Microsoft account, which will require an email address to sign in. And it's basically the same process to switch it to a local account. You want to click on here and then sign in or confirm your password for the local or for the Microsoft account that you have used to sign in to your computer. And once you do that, you should press next and it will basically bring up a window to create a local account, which only requires a username and a password. You can also have only a username and without a password. And once you do that, it should basically switch it to a local account and it will tell you right here under your profile name or account name that it's a local account, which means you can sign in without an email address. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.